Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about a product that's been gaining some attention in the world of skincare. BYOMA's Sensitive Retinol Oil. If you're someone with sensitive skin, or if you've never used retinol before, this could be the gentle but effective solution you've been searching for. Today, we're going to break it down, so let's get right into it. BYOMA's Sensitive Retinol Oil is designed with sensitive skin in mind, and it's also perfect for those new to retinol. If you've ever shied away from retinol because of the irritation or dryness it can cause, this product is formulated to give you all the benefits without those uncomfortable side effects. The oil contains a powerhouse ingredient, vitamin A, which is known for boosting cell turnover. This can help reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and even target pesky breakouts or uneven skin tone. It's a game changer when it comes to gentle skincare, and it promises results. The star of this formula is vitamin A, which is essential for renewing skin cells and improving texture. If you're familiar with retinol, you know it's a go-to ingredient for anti-aging and skin renewal. What sets this formula apart is its combination with squalane, an ingredient that locks in moisture and strengthens the skin's natural barrier. This is key for sensitive skin, as it helps mitigate the dryness and irritation that often come with using retinol. When I tested this product, I was impressed by how lightweight and smooth it felt. The oil absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which is something I really appreciate in an oil-based treatment. During my trial, I used it both in my morning and nighttime routine. It was particularly soothing when applied at night, and I woke up to soft, hydrated skin the next day. The best part? No irritation whatsoever, even though I'm pretty prone to redness. Let's talk about the real-world use for a moment. If you're hesitant to try retinol because of the potential dryness, this formula is a real game changer. It's formulated in a lipid-rich base that helps protect your skin barrier while delivering all the potent benefits of retinol. That's a big deal because so many retinol products leave your skin feeling tight and dehydrated, but this one doesn't. After using it consistently for a couple of weeks, I noticed my skin looking more radiant and plump, definitely more youthful. There are some definite pros here. First off, the texture is great for sensitive skin. It's soothing, non-irritating, and it doesn't clog pores, so no need to worry about breakouts. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and free from alcohol and fragrance, which is another win for those with sensitive skin. However, no product is perfect. The bottle is small, only 1.01 phthalates. So if you're someone who likes to use a lot of product, it might feel like you're going through it a little faster than expected. And while the price reflects the quality of the ingredients, it's definitely an investment. It may not be the most budget-friendly option out there, but if you're looking for a gentle yet effective retinol experience, it could be worth it. When comparing this to other retinol oils on the market, it's clear BYOMA's Sensitive Retinol Oil stands out for its skin barrier-friendly formulation. Many retinol products can cause dryness or flakiness, but this one keeps your skin hydrated and protected, making it a great option for first-time retinol users or anyone with a sensitive skin type. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but sturdy. The glass bottle feels luxurious and high-end, and the dropper makes application easy and precise. This helps you avoid wasting product, which is a nice touch. As for value, it's an investment. Given its high-quality ingredients, dermatologically tested formulation, and gentle approach to retinol, it's worth the cost if you're looking for a retinol product that delivers without the usual irritation. However, if you're on a tighter budget, you might want to consider some alternatives that are a bit more affordable but still offer solid results. Alternatives? If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the La Roche-Posay Retinol B3 Serum might be a great option to consider. It's still very effective and formulated with soothing ingredients, though it doesn't quite have the luxurious feel of BYOMA's oil. To wrap things up, I think BYOMA's Sensitive Retinol Oil is an excellent choice for anyone with sensitive skin or anyone new to retinol. It's gentle, effective, and it delivers on its promises without the typical side effects you might expect from retinol products. If you've been hesitant to try retinol or are struggling with irritation from other products, this is a game changer. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.